Hello to all of my beautiful and diverse friends out in YouTube land. Eating my hair again. Okay, so I am taking my book up to pack mail to, oh my gosh, to send it back to Columbia Southern so I don't get penalized for that. And that's my Western Civilization book because this semester I have Principles of Accounting, which is terrifying me, and American Government, which is not terrifying me. Well, anyway, we'll leave that statement alone. Just kidding. Anyway, so I'm going to go drop this off and then bring you home with me to make a wonderful and delicious gluten-free and vegan dinner, which is pretty typical for us most nights. We're not completely vegan, but about 90% right now. So I guess you'd call us kind of flexitarians because we do eat things and don't let them go to waste, but definitely don't eat any beef, pork, dairy, or wheat, which is actually vegan anyway, but that's because I have an allergy to it. But anyway, so I'm gonna go drop this off and I'll bring you home with me and show you what kind of delicious things can be made very, very inexpensively that are vegan and gluten-free. So many beautiful things in nature. Look how pretty she is. Oh, here she goes. And the ants can carry way more than their weight. I guess so. Hey, buddy. There's another one fluttering around. Aren't they beautiful? And fast. So pretty. Back on the old street and almost home. So come along inside with me and I will show you one of my little made up gluten-free vegan recipes. So for our ingredients for my dinner tonight, we have spinach, an onion, green pepper, that. I have two different kinds of sauces. You can use one thing of sauce or two different types. It's up to you. I have my gluten-free penne. This is corn and rice pasta, but black bean pasta, regular wheat pasta. Let me think. Red lentil pasta. Any pasta would go good with it. I use a can of northern beans, zucchini, some paprika, Italian seasoning, chili powder. Put chili powder in literally everything. Some garlic and herb. This is dash. And garlic sea salt. For my pans, I use a small one for the sauce. And then I have my larger frying pan out. These are my tasty pans. I love these, by the way. Review, thumbs up. Use this one, and I actually saute the peppers and onions and zucchini and then add the white beans in this one and use this one for the pasta. So let's get cooking here. Okay, so I prefer my green peppers and onions in larger chunks, but the bottom line is just chop up your green pepper and onion and saute that first because the zucchini and the spinach cook much faster. So brown these peppers and onions until they're a little bit translucent. That's where we start. I also just started my water boiling, which is not boiling yet. But anyway, once it's nice and caramelized, which you can kind of smell and see, you know, in the pan, it's getting a little translucent. We want to add, I usually do about 1.5 cups of spinach. This is an eyeball it recipe, so you just put in however much you want. But I usually about a cup and a half of spinach. I do my garlic sea salt with the vegetables, and then once the zucchini is in, I put all of my seasonings in that I showed you in the beginning. So once my spinach has cooked down just a little bit, I start adding my zucchini. I'm adding 2 good-sized zucchini this time. I chop it up pretty small. I cut my zucchini into 8 strips and then dice it. If you want it larger, that's good. If you want more zucchini, that's good. Less zucchini, that's good. You know, just do what your family loves. Summer squash is really good in this too. I'm gonna go chop up my other zucchini and then we'll keep moving. Okay, so once you're, oh, you can see that pasta sauce on the wall. Once your zucchini is starting to get done, I like mine a little al dente, but you can let it get mushy or do it al dente or however you like. I add the white beans. I'm adding them from a colander because I do drain and rinse them very well, which I highly recommend because that will allow them to be digested easier. And the white beans I basically add in because it's hard for me to stir because it adds fiber and nutrition and a little bulk, makes the recipe go a little further. So we have that cooking now. Finishing up. Pasta is boiling steadily. Sauce is nice and warm. So yeah, I'll show you just a few minutes and we'll have a little taste test. Okay, so this lovely mixture is the final result. I actually just put some pasta in there, put the veggies over it, and put some sauce on it, and that's it. So it's super hot, but you know, I have to give it a taste test, so let's try it out. So good. So good. Okay, wait, Aaron, you have to try it. But it's super hot, so don't burn your tongue.
It's gonna spill on the carpet.
It's not gonna spill.
Nice.
It's super fresh and really, really good for you. So
the texture too.
Yeah. Anyway, just wanted to share that with you, and I hope you have a wonderful night and that I'm not covered in pasta sauce. Anyway, kids, I will make another vlog tomorrow, and I'm actually going to show you my gluten-free banana brownies that I make. So until then, flip-flops and lollipops, kids. Bye.